Hey, my name's Justin, and this is The Art of Repair. And today we're going to talk about why there is absolutely no consistency across vendors. Justin, no. I've been buying A+ premium quality from XX whoever for a long time. They're the best, dude. Like, I don't understand what your problem is. I'm sure they're good. But they're not always good. Okay? They're not always good. Now, why is that? Why is it that we just have like zero consistency across the board? There's got to be something about it. There is. The reason there is no consistency across the board and why pretty much all LCD and AMOLED grading is absolute trash is because at the end of the day, we don't have people over there watching. Okay? Did you know that when you buy a display, let me go ahead and just break it down for you. Okay? You go buy yourself a JDF display. You buy a Tianma, Shenchao, Longtang, whoever, it doesn't matter. You think you're like, oh yeah, I'm getting a Tianma screen. It's A+ quality. My representative told me it was the best. Okay, you may be getting a Tianma screen, but all you're getting that's Tianma is the actual bare display itself. The Oka, the frame, the glass, everything about it outside of that is just all up in the air. Okay, it really totally depends on the quality of not only the parts you're putting into it, but the quality of your employees that are putting it together. Okay, so we've got a lot of variables here. We've got where the display comes from, we've got all the other materials that are getting put together with it, and we've got the employee putting it together. That is a lot of room for failure. A lot of room for failure. It's kind of frustrating sometimes, really, because I see these conversations online, and it's like people just don't put one together to get two. It's like they just don't do it. They think, I've got this display. It's it's OEM refurbished, or it's this maker or this maker, and they think that automatically means that they have the best quality there is, and that's just not the case. There is no consistency, period, across vendors. Why? Because we've got too many variables. Okay, until we have somebody doing all of the steps, okay, and that one specific person continues to do them that way in a very consistent machine-like manner, and we all buy from that one, we are not going to get consistency. Okay, it's just not going to happen. If you're looking at China for what China is, they're doing the same thing we're doing. They're trying to save money every which way they can. So what happens? You make an order for 1,000 LCDs. They're all going to be A+ premium quality refurbished. Okay. But you want to pay a little bit less. You're like, hey man, can you cut me a little deal? Okay, we're going to cut you a deal. But that's all you hear. That's where the buck stops. On your end, the deal's been made. You're going to get them for $5 less than normal. Cha-ching! You win. But do you? Do you really? Because at that point, you may have saved $5, but you may also be getting your displays made with lower quality parts that are still marked as premium, that you're going to sell as premium, and then when you get a bunch of defects, you're not going to understand why. There's no consistency, nothing. There's reasons for everything. So it's really simple. This is kind of dragged out. There's just way too many variables to get consistent quality because there's so many different factories. A factory in China opens up like that, and then they close like that. In and out, employees, in and out, parts, in and out. You tell me where the consistency is. Don't forget, guys, if you're interested in any of the tools I use, check out the description below. I even have my own custom tools that I sell down there as well that literally do not exist anywhere else on the planet except from The Art of Repair. I also have a Patreon where you can help support the channel so I can create even better high quality content.